So I'm just about finished with the engine. The next step is going to get our axles back in, but to do that we have to put the rest of the suspension back together. So we're going to start with these. These are BC Racing coilovers. Let's open them up. We're going to start by taking the old struts out first, which is easy since we already have these corners pretty much blown apart. This lower section we actually have to take off because we're going to put that on the new coilover, but I'm going to take it off, I'm going to clean it, we're going to shoot it black so they look nice and they don't look like this anymore, and then we'll put them back in the car and start getting the uprights and all of our new control arms on. So let's go. Some rust plate, dude.
Hey, can you be quiet, bud?
Do you mind, sir?
It's my turf.
What are you doing there?
We're gonna clean this up, dude. This thing's gonna look brand new.
Oh yeah. Some sand black. Don't do that.
Whoa, Quinn.
Don't do
that.
Delicious.
What?
Yeah, let's go paint them. Clean them up, paint them. We're gonna clean these and paint them.
Delicious?
Yeah.
I wouldn't say it's delicious.
Would you eat that?
Hell yeah.
See? What are you talking about?
Quinn finished replacing the front suspension to include the front coilovers. Here I have some BC Racing coilovers that I'm going to be installing in the rear as well. We also have upper arms and toe arms and our stock replacement brakes with some high performing pads. So enough talking, let's get to it.
All right, well, as we're working, Oscar and the boys from SOS Customs have arrived, and they're gonna actually just look over the car really quick, check out the paint, check for any major damages, and these guys do an awesome job of basically just going over the paint and making sure that when the vinyl wrap goes on, it looks fantastic. And you guys have seen previous dream builds that we've done. The wraps always turn out really good. This is a good model. The guys are gonna spend the rest of the afternoon probably just getting everything sorted out for us so that when it goes off to enhance for the wrap, it's gonna look awesome.
Now that the BC coilovers and the arms are installed on the driver's side, I'm going to start by replacing the rotors and the brake pads. That way this entire side is completely finished. Then we'll move over to the other side and we'll do the same thing.
You recording?
I didn't hear the beep. Yeah, there's nothing that says that you're recording. Huh. Are you really? You gotta tell me, I can't. Rear rotors, brake pads, arms, and coilovers have been replaced in the rear. Everything's complete back here. Now let's move on to the next thing.